Hi there. I thought I would just go ahead and show you a path for finding how to go back in your schedule. There's a couple of different ways that you can go about doing this. The first way I'm going to go ahead and show you is through your schedule. Now, obviously, these classes are very different than yours, but it was one I had access to and thought I would be able to show you more. So you have a couple of ways here. Right now, you are seeing things in a daily view. You can also look at things through a weekly view, but you can also go back to a specific date that you need. So for example, if you missed something on September 15th, I'm just going to go to that by random. Remember, I'm still on a week. You can go in and you can access whatever course it is that you may have missed on a particular day. So I'm just going to open this up and you can see that there is a recording available to you. So yours should look similar to this. Also, if you have assignments, you can go into your classes and you can go ahead and move back in time. So let me just pick one here. So you can see that there's the overall schedule. And you can either go back if your teacher has specific dates on the schedule for announcements. Often there'll be hyperlinks there that you can go ahead and link back to. But again, you have the access of going into your course and checking out where the different materials are. So just like before, you have an overall calendar there where you can go in and click. I'll pick that same. We'll go to the 15th and you can see if there were any things, and she didn't have anything on that day, but you can see if there were events from then. You can also go up into your different options at the top. So if you look at your plan, you can access through that your different schedules. It's a lot the same way where you can pick a particular date that you want and you can go into a particular course of your desire. So for examples, this is showing all classes, all of the courses, but you can also access a month at a time. And you can see everything for that month. So hopefully those are some different ways where you can go back and you can view things, and you can also access those specific courses and go in and go back to any assignments that you need to complete. Hopefully that's enough to give you the direction you need. If it's not, let me know and I'll be glad to go over it further with you when we meet one-on-one this week during your weekly check-in. Bye-bye.